Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. First of all, you can block a contact, so the number which is currently saved on your device, on your contact list, and you can block a number which you will enter manually. And of course I'll show you both options. So maybe let's begin with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Find the contact you would like to edit, or maybe actually not really edit but block, and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here we've got block numbers option, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you that it will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you are ready, just tap on block. And as you can see here we've got the info. We can also see this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back, and now let me show you another way to block a number. As I said, block it manually, let's say. So in the second way, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner again and enter the settings. Here in the general section on the third position we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap. And as you can see right here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we've got it on our blacklist, it is blocked. And as I said, you can block a number manually from this step, so simply tap on add a number, and as you can see right here you can enter it, so you do not really have to have the number currently saved. Just tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, you've got the option unknown, and you can activate it just by tapping on the switcher, and it's quite cool because your device, thanks to this option, will block calls from all unidentified callers. Of course you can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.